Phlegm is a type of mucus that is thicker and yellow or green in color than normal, often seen in respiratory tract infections such as colds and flu. Phlegm-laden cough is a symptom of colds and flu, accompanied by symptoms like weakness, insomnia, and fever. It differs from mucus that comes from the nose or sinuses. You can take measures against phlegm-induced cough that causes discomfort in the throat and reduce symptoms by using various treatment methods. What causes phlegmy cough? After respiratory tract problems, the body produces mucus, leading to phlegm in the throat. The main causes of phlegmy cough are damage in the lungs, chronic reflux, COPD, bronchitis, tuberculosis, allergies, pneumonia, and sinusitis. Phlegmy cough, which affects daily life quality and leads to weakness, occurs in the respiratory tract, causing discomfort to the individual. This mucus formed in the respiratory tract can also occur in non-disease situations such as air pollution and allergic reactions like pollen. This helps protect against substances that can cause irritation by assisting in clearing the respiratory tract. Increased mucus production due to illnesses paves the way for the development of phlegmy cough. The feeling of congestion in the lungs and throat due to phlegm triggers the cough reflex, aiming to expel the phlegm. A cough without phlegm is seen as a dry cough. Phlegmy cough. Remedies: drinking plenty of water, doing saltwater gargles, drinking lemon water, taking a hot steamy shower, or inhaling steam, consuming honey, herbal teas like ginger, thyme, or cloves can help thin and break up mucus, providing relief for phlegmy cough. Here are some natural methods to help stop phlegmy cough. Drink plenty of water, consume warm herbal teas such as turmeric, mint, licorice root, thyme, and cloves, gargle with salt water, eat a mixture of lemon, black pepper, and honey. Drink warm lemon water, suck on throat lozenges, keep the environment humid, inhale steam with eucalyptus oil drops, clear nasal passages if congested to keep airflow open. Drink plenty of water. Drinking enough fluids can assist in mucus flow. Water and other liquids help move your mucus, clearing the throat congestion. Inhaling steam with eucalyptus oil drops. Eucalyptus oil aids in breaking down mucus, making it easier to expel through coughing. Additionally, it acts similarly to menthol by affecting receptors in the nasal mucosa, helping alleviate nasal congestion, which contributes to coughing. Sucking on throat lozenges, cough drops and throat lozenges work similarly. Both contain menthol, which helps soothe coughing. Lozenges containing benzocaine, an analgesic that helps alleviate throat pain, can also increase saliva production, making it easier to expel phlegm. Taking a hot, steamy shower. Hot steam opens up congested airways, moisturizes them, and helps thin mucus, making it easier to expel through coughing. Keeping the environment humid. Breathing humid air helps thin and loosen mucus. This makes it easier to cough up and prevents mucus from causing congestion in the throat. Drinking herbal teas like turmeric, mint, licorice root, thyme, and cloves. Herbal teas with anti-inflammatory or antimicrobial properties can help alleviate conditions causing phlegmy cough. Warm liquids in particular help relax or break down mucus, making it easier to expel. Eating a mixture of honey, lemon, and black pepper. Lemon, black pepper, and honey possess antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate cough symptoms. Gargling with saltwater. Saltwater gargles help thin mucus in your respiratory tract and nasal passages. They also assist in breaking down allergens, irritants, bacteria, fungi, and other pathogens in the throat. Keeping nasal passages clean. Excessive mucus production leads to nasal discharge or congestion, coughing or post-nasal drip, directly causing mucus to flow from the back of the nose into the throat. Natural remedies to ease phlegm. Expulsion, molasses. Molasses is among the natural solutions that help with phlegmy coughs. After boiling a glass of water, add a spoonful of butter and molasses. After boiling, let it cool and consume it throughout the day. Lemon, honey, and black pepper. A mixture of honey, black pepper, and lemon can be used to soothe coughs and combat irritations that may occur in the respiratory tract. Carob. When boiled and consumed with water, carob helps in loosening phlegm. By using the carob remedy against coughs, you may soften your throat. Turmeric and milk. Turmeric, known for its antiseptic content, can be used against phlegmy coughs. Adding turmeric to milk and consuming it in the morning and evening can soften phlegm in the throat. Ginger and honey ginger, effective in loosening mucus and reducing coughs, is one of the natural remedies used against phlegmy coughs. Boil a spoonful of ginger in water and let it steep. You can add honey to this mixture and consume it throughout the day. Black radish and honey. The mixture of black radish and honey, prepared against phlegmy coughs, has many health benefits. After making 3-4 holes in a medium-sized black radish, add honey and let it drain through these holes. After the honey is completely drained, you can use this mixture against phlegmy coughs